is Kara Clausen, and I am the facilities manager at CMU. We are standing here in the Poettcker Hall boiler room. This building has a sizable impact on our greenhouse gas emissions. As we renovate the building, it's important to keep this in mind. We've been tracking our emissions since 2017 using the Climate Smart Training and Certification Program through BMO Radical Inc. Our data is categorized into 3 scopes of emissions. Scope 1 includes direct emissions like natural gas, heating, refrigerants, CMU-owned vehicles, and small equipment. This is our largest source of emissions. Scope 2 covers indirect emissions from purchased energy, mainly electricity from Manitoba Hydro, which is relatively green and makes up less than 1% of our emissions. Scope 3 involves indirect value chain emissions, such as air travel, employee commuting, waste, and paper consumption. Living in a cold province like Manitoba, natural gas heating is a major contributor to our emissions. In 2022 to 23, heating made up 80% of our total emissions. Poettcker Hall, our oldest residential building, has a gas boiler from 1957 and accounted for 16% of our emissions. That's like having 44 gas-powered cars running for a year. To tackle this, we're converting Poettcker Hall to geothermal energy, a renewable energy source that's been used for at least 10,000 years. Our Concord Hall building, built in 2005, already uses geothermal energy, and it contributes to less than 0.5% of all of our emissions. We're excited about this change and the positive impact it will have on our environment.